A very good morning, student. Today we are going to start with your main course book, Insight, which is of Tarun publication. So let's start with the chapter first. So the first chapter is the best childhood gift. Okay, student. Student, you are having all sort of privilege, all sort of facilities you are having, but there are many children whose life is full of hardship. Okay, so sometimes there are few people who help other, who try to help other. So after reading this chapter, you will also come to know how and in what way we can help other. We can get the privilege to help all those people who are having so much of hardship. Okay, so over here let's start with the chapter. In this chapter there is a 11-year-old boy whose name is Raman. Okay, so there is one 11-year-old boy whose name is Raman. Raman father work in a primary school. He is a teacher over there, and his mother is a housewife. So his family, it was not that much of rich, but they were very happy. It happens sometimes people are very rich but you're not happy, but they are not having that much of wealth, but they were happy with whatever things they are having. Okay, Raman used to go to school, but his school was a kilometer away from the home, so he has to walk. Okay, student, his school was a kilometer away from the home, so he has to walk distance every day, and that was very tiring for Raman. If you have to walk 1 kilometer daily, then it will become very tiring for you. Okay, so but Raman never complained his parent about it. In place of that, what he do, he enjoys everything. He enjoy the chattering of the talking of vendors. Okay, he chase the calves. He's chasing the calves now, right? Okay, and so he enjoy each and everything. And at the weekend before his birthday, what happened? There was his birthday. So before his birthday, what he requested to his father, he requested his father to buy a cycle for him, to buy a bicycle for him, because to get a bicycle will help him in saving his time, so that he can, and secondly he can help his mother with the household thing. If he is having a bicycle, he can go to market and he can purchase all sort of things which is required at his home. Okay, so his father promised. Raman felt so happy when you ask your parent for something, and when they are agreed to give it to you, you felt very happy, and you start talking about all those things to your friends. So in the same way, even Raman, what he did, he started talking about his gift to his friends, and as they all were very excited, so they fixed a day when they would get ride with Raman. Okay, now when his birthday arrived, he woke up, he found his mother and father standing in next to his bed. Okay, the day of his birthday was there, and his father and mother was standing next to his bed, and they gifted him a beautiful gift wrapped nicely. Okay, what they gifted him? They gifted him a pair of shoes. So what happens, student? When you ask your parent for something, and if you don't get that in your birthday gift, what you start doing? You become angry. You start showing anger to your parent. You don't accept the gift which your parents are giving you. But because Raman knew his situation, Raman was a very good child. He knew his situation. So what happened when his parent gifted him a pair of shoes in place of a bicycle? He accepted it without any complaint, and he thanked his father. Okay, although he was a bit unhappy, but still he thanked his father for whatever gift his father gave him. Okay, so Raman father, even parent were very upset if if a child is asking for something, if a parent is not able to give that gift to the child, the parent get upset. Even the Raman father was very upset because he was not able to save enough to give a bicycle to Raman. When Raman was walking to the school, what he saw a boy riding a bicycle. Okay, Raman noticed that the bicycle was too small for the boy. What Raman noticed? He noticed that bicycle was too small. Bicycle काफी छोटी थी उस boy के हिसाब से. See over here, I can show you. See, the bicycle is very small as compared to the boy. Okay, so the bicycle was very small as compared to the boy. As Raman was thinking, the boy crashed into a post and his bicycle skids on the street. Okay, sometime it happened when you get slipped and you fell down on the street. When he fell down on the street, what happened? Raman rushed toward him. Raman भागते हुए उसके पास जाता है और उसके बाद उसे क्या पता चलता है कि वो कौन था? वो उसका फ्रेंड समीर था, जो कि एक छोटी सी बाइसाइकिल को चला रहा है. समीर वॉज बैडली इंजर्ड. ओके, उसको बहुत चोट लगती है. रमन हेल्प हिम सिट अप एंड गिव हिम सम वाटर. Raman help him and give him some water, and Raman rushed on Samir bicycle to nearby hospital to get help. What Raman did? Raman rushed to the hospital. Raman भागते हुए hospital जाता है और an ambulance came, and when he rushed to the hospital and tell everything about his friend, and the ambulance came to take Samir to the hospital. Okay, firstly he went to the hospital and called ambulance. Secondly, what he did, he rushed to the Samir home and informed his parent about the accident. Secondly, वो क्या करता है, वो उसके घर पे जाके उसके parent को accident के बारे में बताता है. Okay, Samir and his parent thanks Raman for the timely help. This help was a very timely help. It was done on the time. Otherwise, he would have got much hurt. He would have much injured. Okay. Raman replied, "It was possible only because I took Samir bicycle." So what Raman replied? Raman replied, "It was just because of Samir bicycle I was able to help him on time." Okay. After that, Raman and Samir, they become very close friends. Okay. Raman went to meet Samir every day. Raman समीर से मिलने रोज जाता था हॉस्पिटल, जब तक वो डिस्चार्ज नहीं हो गया हॉस्पिटल से. समीर गॉट अ न्यू साइकिल because their cycle was very small for Samir, so he got a new cycle. And when Raman parents came to know about it that he is not having cycle, so what Samir parent did? Samir parent gave the old bicycle to Raman, and Raman accepted the gift. So this way Raman was helped by Samir, because Raman was not having that much of money to purchase a new bicycle. So Samir gifted his old bicycle to Raman, and this way the unprivileged child got privileged to get a new bicycle.